So we are doing exercise 6.3. First two questions we have completed. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 of exercise 6.3, and it is given that diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium. There is a trapezium ABCD. There is a trapezium ABCD. In trapezium ABCD, the diagonals, we have given trapezium ABCD, in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. In trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, intersect each other at point O. The diagonals intersect each other at point O. The diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA upon OC, is equals to OB upon OD. So, since AB is parallel to CD and AC and BD are the transversal, so in triangle, we take two triangle OAB and OCD. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD, since line AB is parallel to DC and AC is the transversal, so alternate angles must be equal. Again, AB is parallel to DC and DB is the transversal. AB is parallel to DC and DB is the transversal. So these alternate angles be equal. So in both the triangles, in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, angle OAB is equals to angle OCD. Angle OAB equals to angle OCD. Means angle A and angle C and A. Then angle OBA. Angle OBA. Angle OBA equals to angle ODC. Equals to angle ODC. Angle B and angle D. B and D. These are the corresponding angles. And if in two triangles, two angles are equal, then the third angle must be equal. Or by AA similarity criterion, these two triangles become similar. So we can write that triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD by AA similarity criteria. And if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides must be equal. So corresponding sides means OA upon OC. OA upon OC equals to OB upon OD. These are the corresponding sides, and since triangles are similar, therefore their corresponding sides must be in proportion. Now question number 4. Question number 4, we have given the diagram triangle TQR. Triangle TQR. TQR. And there is a side PS. PS. And PR is joined. PR is joined. And this is named as angle 2 and this is angle 1. So we have given in this question, in question number 4 we have given that QR upon QS, QR upon QS, QR upon QS is equals to QT upon PR, QT upon PR. And angle 1 equals to angle 2. And angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 1 is angle 2. Show that triangle PQS, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. It means triangle PQR is isosceles, because in isosceles triangle base angles are equal. So if angle 1 equals to angle 2, it means PQR is isosceles triangle and opposite sides are equal. So side opposite to angle 1 is PR and side opposite to angle 2 is PQ. They must be equal. So let us see solution in triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle 1 equals to angle 2, which is given. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, which is given. So side opposite to angle 1, PR. So angle 1 equals to angle 2, it means triangle PQR is isosceles. And in isosceles triangle, the angle opposite to the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So side opposite to angle 1, that is PR. So, and side opposite to angle 2, that is PQ. So PR equals to PQ. Now we have given that QR upon QS, QR upon QS equals to QT upon PR. This we have given. So at the place of PR, we can write PQ. At the place of PR, we can write PQ. Name it first number equation. So from first, we can write QR upon QS equals to QT upon, at the place of PR, we write PQ. So QR upon QS equals to QT upon PQ or QT upon QP. QT upon QP. So QR upon QS equals to QT upon QP. It means in triangle QRT, in triangle QRT, in triangle QRT and triangle QSP, or in triangle PQS, in triangle PQS, in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, TQR. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR, if QR upon QS, QR upon QS is equals to QT upon QP. It means these two triangles are similar because these are the sides of these two triangles which are proportional. So we can write that since the sides of these two are proportional, so at the place of PR we have written QP. Sides are proportional, therefore these two triangles are similar. So we can write that triangle PQS is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle PQS is similar to triangle QPR. QR upon QS equals to QT upon QP, and angle Q is common. Angle Q equals to angle Q, which is common, and these are the sides included this angle. So by SAS, these two triangles, by SAS, these two triangles are similar. Now next question, and that is question number 5. S and T are points on side PR and QR of triangle PQR. Question number 5. There is a triangle. There is a triangle PQR. There is a triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. S and T. S is the point on side PR. S is the point on side PR. S is the point on side PR and T is the point on side QR. There is point T on side QR, such that angle P equals to angle RTS. Angle P is equals to angle RTS. Show that angle RPQ is similar to angle RTS. So we have given that in triangle PQR, S is the point on PR. S is the point on side PR and T is the point on side QR and T is the point on side QR. And angle P equals to angle RTS. Angle P equals to angle RTS. So to show that RPQ, show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Triangle RTS. RPQ is similar to RTS. So in triangle RPQ and RTS, in triangle RPQ and triangle, this is the solution, in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Angle in both the triangle, angle R is common. Angle R equals to angle R. And in triangle RPQ, in triangle RPQ, angle RPQ, angle RPQ is equals to, in triangle RTS, angle RTS. So if in two triangles, two angles are equal, then the third angle must be equal. In triangle RPQ and in triangle RTS, angle R is common for both the triangles. And in triangle RPQ, angle P. And in triangle RTS, angle this. So their third corresponding angle, this and this, must be equal because two angles are equal in both the triangles. Or by a corollary, these two triangles are similar. So we can write that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by a corollary. So triangle RPQ is similar to RTS by a corollary because two corresponding angles are equal, and if two angles are equal, then third must be equal. Now next question, and that is question number 6. In figure, question number 6. We have given triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, and there are 2 points DE, and D is joined to C. There is a line DE, D is joined to C, and E is joined to B. E is joined to B. So we have given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACB. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACB. Given triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACB. And show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Show that triangle ADE, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This we have to prove. So let us say, since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACB, since triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, then their corresponding sides AB equals to AC. In triangle ABE, side AB, and in triangle ACD, side AC. So since these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT, AB is equals to AC. Side AB is equals to AC. And side in triangle ABE, side AE, and in triangle ACD, side AD. This is first number equation, and side AE is equals to side AD. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So in triangle ABE, side AB, and in triangle ABE, side AE is equals to in triangle ACD, side AD. These are the corresponding sides. So AE equals to AD, and this also can be written as AD upon AD equals to AE, and name it second number equation. Now divide first by second. So AB upon AD equals to AC upon A. AB upon AD equals to AC upon AE. And angle A is common for both the triangle. In triangle ADE, and there is angle A, and in triangle ABC there is also angle. So angle A is common, and sides AB upon AD equals to AC upon AE, and angle A equals to angle A. So by SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles be similar. So triangle ADE is similar to triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion, these two triangles are similar because firstly we have given that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, and if these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT in triangle ABE side AB, and in triangle ACD side AC, AB equals to AC. In triangle ABE side AE, and in triangle ACD side AD. So AE equals to AD, and AE equals to AD can also be written as AD equals to AE. Now divide first by second. So we are getting AB by AD equals to AC by AE. AB by AD equals to AC by AE, and angle A is common for triangle ADE as well as for triangle ABC. There means by SAS similarity criterion, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC.